close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
I was thinking, we're like lost children, you know, on this side of the world. And we're always thinking about the ones that we lost in this horrible thing that happened, as our ancestors, and want them to guide us, and we're trying to always connect with them on a spiritual level and ask them for guidance. And I wanted to know, like, do African people, like actual Africans, like in Africa at the moment, do they think about us as lost children? Like, do they think about us, like, you know, in that way? Do they see us as, oh my God, like, you know, this could be, I could have petit mwen en Haiti, you know, that I won't even know if that's him or her. Like, petit mwen get en Jamaïque la kounya. Petit mwen gen doa comme si like still alive or something like that. Aux États-Unis or wherever. It's like, I don't know, it's an interesting concept. It's an interesting thing that I might have to ask an actual African person, you know, to tell me, like, you know, what do they think, you know? And if you're African, you can tell me as well, so there's that. But I just wanted to know. I might have to, you know, reach out to somebody that I don't even know to ask. But yeah, that's that. So anyways, much is telephone man. Telephone man literally almost 3% right now. Anyways, bye.